Today I'm sharing an easy meal prep idea: baked potato with tandoori chicken stir-fry and a creamy salad. It's easy to make, it's delicious, and it's fun to make as well. So let's get started. First off, we need to marinate the chicken for the tandoori chicken stir-fry. We have 600 grams of boneless chicken cubes here. Add 3 tablespoons of Greek-style yogurt, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of tandoori spice mix. Tandoori spice mix is easily available in the market. If you want to make it from scratch, I have the recipe in the description. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder or any mild chili powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek leaves. If you don't have this, you can also substitute it with dried coriander leaves. Add salt to taste, just over half a teaspoon. Then we're going to add 1 small red onion that has been sliced and 4 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Red food coloring is an optional addition to give it that trademark tandoori chicken appearance. And if I wasn't making this video today, I wouldn't add the food coloring. For an authentic flavor, we're adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and if you don't have this, you can use olive oil instead. Rub all of these ingredients into the chicken thoroughly. Side while you prepare your baked potatoes. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius, and we're using large russet potatoes. I'm baking 8 potatoes here. Use as many as you need. Scrub and rinse the potatoes first. Then we're going to rub all those potatoes with some good olive oil. Give it a good rub using your hands. Once all the potatoes have been oiled, using a fork or a knife, we're going to pierce the potato gently on all 4 sides, around 4 times on each side. This helps the salt and pepper to get absorbed into the potato better, so I wouldn't skip this step. And if you're using a knife, please be careful. For the rub, we're using garlic sea salt flakes. This adds a good flavor. Sprinkle generously over the potatoes along with some black pepper, and give each potato a good rub once again. So just continue rubbing all the potatoes the same way. And once we're done, we can wrap the potatoes with aluminum foil paper. So this is how I like to wrap the potatoes. Seal the potatoes over the top and then over to make a nice tight envelope. So all my potatoes are ready to go into the preheated oven, and we're going to bake on a lower rack for 1 hour. Around halfway through the baking, we can start to cook our tandoori chicken stir-fry. Heat a non-stick pan or wok. I'm using a non-stick wok here. When it's smoking, add in the marinated chicken. And we're going to cook this on a very high heat. Initially, you don't want to stir the chicken, and then once it starts to get charred on the bottom, we can start to toss, and then again leave it undisturbed for a while as the liquids are released a bit, and repeat the process of tossing and then waiting for the chicken to get fried a bit. And once the chicken is tender and you get some charred bits of chicken, it's almost ready. Towards the end, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, and then just keep tossing the chicken on a high flame till it looks nice and charred here and there. This type of tandoori chicken stir-fry goes great in any types of wraps or sandwiches as well. Set the cooked chicken aside, and now we can make our creamy, delicious salad. For this, we have some peeled and diced cucumber and carrot, some sliced red onion, just a small red onion will do, iceberg as well as romaine lettuce chopped, sweet corn kernels. I used frozen defrosted corn kernels here, some pickled gherkins that have been chopped as well, and 1 boiled, peeled and diced potato. And for the simple dressing, we're going to mix equal parts of mayonnaise, Greek-style yogurt, and garlic-flavored cream cheese spread. Add some coarse grained black pepper to taste and give it a toss. This salad is really delicious, and the kids seem to really love it as well. You can add other ingredients like black olives, boiled egg, and peppers as well. Once the potatoes are baked, gently unwrap the foil paper. Use a knife to gently slit the potatoes open. Press on both sides to open up the potato. I like to fluff up the potato a little bit before serving. These potatoes are baked perfectly tender and they're nice and fluffy. Add a knob of butter for each potato just before they're served. You can also add a little bit of grated cheese if you like. Serve that along with our tandoori chicken stir-fry and our creamy, yummy salad. And just like that, we have our easy weeknight meal. It's fun to make and I hope you enjoy it with your family. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.